everyone, my name is Wiadnyana. Now I want to talk to you about AI or artificial intelligence. AI or artificial intelligence is an intelligence that created by human by using big data, and the machine will learn with those data, and the machine will adjust new input and carry out tasks like human. AI is very familiar in this technology era. Many technology have adopted AI to make their product more smarter. Let's say one of example of AI is Google search engine. Maybe we don't realize that is AI, but if we more carefully and see by typing little text and appear some recommendation like this, yes, that is AI from Google. Google use AI because Google want to make their search engine more smarter, and we will more easier to find something on internet. I have one example of the AI that is OK Google search voice. Let's do some demonstration. OK Google, what time is it? See, how can Google know what I'm saying? Yes, because that is AI can change my voice to some text that can make AI understand what I'm saying. Thanks Google. AI is very useful for this era. Like on banking world, AI can analyze fake transaction, and then Internet of Things. And the last one is for the camera smartphone. AI can help to make your photos more better and great. I'm very interested to choose and learning about AI because honestly, I really like the world of technology, because for me technology is can change all things, and technology can make tasks of human more easier. On this technology era, we can sell our product more easier than before. We can sell our product to e-commerce like Tokopedia, Shopee, Bukalapak, and others. We can use those AI from those e-commerce to make our product more easier to find. And in general, all of e-commerce now have AI for the search engine, and we can use that and make the sales of our product can increase. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.